I suppose through the years it has always had a great home here in Ireland, from the 60s right up to now, and we've always had a great deal of talent, talented people who sing country music. And I can't say, I don't think anybody can say why people love it. They just, I suppose, it's the type of music that Irish people like, and I think that shows through the generations, right up to now with all the younger singers, and there's an awful lot of young people who are becoming fans of country music. So it's hard to say what it is. It's just something that people like, and that's it.